welcome back to the channel. We are going to install these AUXBEAMs, the Ultra series on the back, just some 3-inch spotties, some good work lights, camp lights, plug and play setup. Let's get to it. First thing you'll notice is the packaging. It's quite solid. Sticker for the wall. Got the wiring rings, all pre-wired. Plug and play. The switches there. There's the box. If you're wondering, the Ultra series, 3-inch. Pretty sharp. Alright, the idea is we're just going to get them up there on the track. Some good camp light. Camp light, 4 driving, out on the tracks. They'll do the job. Look at them. They're pretty sharp. Got these LEDs on the side as well. Shoot a good solid side light. So it's not just a spot. Let's get them on. Hi viewers, welcome back. I've got the lights up. Just on the back there. Little side throwers on each side. They're going to work quite well. 2 of them on the back. We just crimped them. Now we'll run some cables. See how we go. Bit of heat shrink here with our Deutsch. 3-pin Deutsch plug. Our cable extensions. We'll put them in, crimp them, heat shrink them, test it, and then put the split conduit on and start finishing it off. See how we go, eh? It's a freezing day down in Melbourne, middle of winter. Playing games with the car. Really starting to enjoy it. Well, it's a winter's night now. The storm's passed. We've got everything temporarily wired up. Conduits are on. I'll just take you out the back and I'll show you these lights. It's something special. Stay there. How about them? AUXBEAMs. Bloody beautiful. We'll take them out in a minute out the back and shine them out in the real dark. Better first wiring it all up properly first, hey? Stay tuned. We'll go for a drive.
On. Okay.
And shine like the, you know, how bright they are.
Yeah. Bright. Off.
Alright guys, we found a dark spot. Check out these bad boys. And look at the throw they have. Outstanding. The GoPro doesn't pick it up. Doesn't pick it up so well in the dark, but these babies are pretty bright. Have a look at that. Pick it up the fence there. Great. Great stuff. Check them out. Plenty more of these bad boys to come. See you out there.